guys, so today's video is going to be a kind of summer glowy bronzy tutorial. This is my take on a bronzy glowy tutorial. I have a hair. If you hear the background, my mom is in the shower because there's always noise in my house. So I'm just going to start out this tutorial, or just my take. I don't know if you want to call it tutorial. I don't know if you want to call it a tutorial, but this is just if you wanted to know how I do my bronzy glowy look for summertime. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. The first thing I'm gonna do is put on this night serum. This is the Honeymoon Glow Pharmacy Night Serum. I'm gonna pump some of that on the back of my hand, rub this into my skin because it does give like a little glow. Don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I love using it because it feels so nice and hydrating. I only put it on those areas because, like I've said in my other videos, I have an oily chin area and I get oily right here, so yeah, don't want to look greasy. Next, I'm going to be using my favorite moisturizer ever. It's the Sunday Riley, what is this? CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This stuff is expensive. I got this in my Glam Bag Plus, and I'm only taking a little bit because a little goes a long way, and it is really thick and hydrating. And I wanted to try this Becca Hydrating, what is this? Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. I think it's hydrating, I'm not sure, but I did want to try it. But first I'm going to use this eye cream by Context. It's the Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. It is very hydrating and I don't need that much because it's, again, like the vitamin C and what is it, the cream that I just used, it's very hydrating and it goes a long way. There's that. I am basically hydrated and moisturized. Now I'm going to take this Becca Anti-Fatigue Eye Primer. This is what it looks like. I don't actually remember them coming out with this. I just got it from someone using my link for Boxycharm. I'm just going to take my finger and just go under just to see what it does, basically. Obviously you use this before foundation. It doesn't feel like anything. It doesn't feel cooling or anything. I guess we'll see how the under eyes look throughout the day. Now what I want to do is, I have a dewy mist that I want to use. I have this Skin & Co. Dewy Mist. I think that's what it's called. It's Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. I'm going to spritz that on my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer. I only use this during summertime because it is glowy. Put it right there. I remember one time I put so much of this on, I looked so dewy. I looked like Tin Man. Now we are looking very like dewy. I feel like in general you could just go to the beach like this with some SPF on. Okay, so before I put on the foundation and yes, I'm gonna put some concealer on this area. It's a darker concealer that kind of just, I need to cover these areas right here. I'm trying so hard to get rid of this. I know makeup's probably not helping, but I wear makeup like every day. I should probably not though, but since I'm trying to film more now, it's been a little struggle to kind of not wear makeup. Like, I'll immediately try to take it off afterwards, but 99% of the time I have to go to work. But I do have a few days off coming up, so I'm probably not going to wear much makeup, and if I do, I'm probably going to film and then take it right off. I'm going to grab my Physicians Formula The Healthy Foundation. This is my go-to foundation if you guys don't know me and watch my channel. It has SPF 20 in it, which SPF anything is great. And I'm just going to pat that in the skin. By the way, I'm in the shade LC1 for this foundation, in case you are curious. If you guys like lightweight foundations, I highly suggest this, especially this one for summertime. And having SPF, I'm going to have a lot of Disney days ahead of me because I can go all summer. So I'm gonna be out in the sun a lot, and this is my go-to foundation for that. I don't know why I wear earrings when I know I'm filming. Okay, now I wanna set my face. I'm gonna figure out what powder I wanna use, and I'll be right back. But before I set my face, I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup Glow Stick, whatever. It's in the shade Turnt. And I'm just gonna put this, hopefully it doesn't take off the foundation. What's funny about this foundation is it's not tacky once you apply it and blend it in. It's not tacky at all. You could wear it by itself, but I love setting foundation because I'm scared I'm gonna melt away. I'm gonna take my Coty Airspun powder, set my chin with the pad that it comes with, and on my nose area. And then I'm gonna take the Beauty Blender and set the rest of my face with that. I know this powder has flashback, but I don't plan on taking any pictures today. I'm gonna take some leftover powder and just set my face with that. Okay, for bronzer, I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in, I think it's bronzer, Sun-Kissed Bronzer. I'm just going to take a fluffier brush and go in on the forehead, more on the cheeks. And for blush, I'm going to use the Luminoso blush from Milani. This one's like a glowy blush, that's why I like it. I sometimes bring it on the nose too. For highlighter, I'm taking this ColourPop highlighter in the shade Kisme. I don't know how to say that. It's with Becky G. It is very like shimmery and glowy, so if you want that shimmer, you can go for it. I just kind of put it everywhere. Then I'm going to take the Brain Freeze palette because this has been my go-to highlighting palette. And I'm taking Cold Shoulder and Gold Breaker. And I'm going to highlight. Alright, I'm going to throw on some of Jeffree Star's Lip Ammo in Glazed. And then for eyes, I'm taking the new Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, and I'm going to take the shade Dayspring, which is this one, and I'm going to throw it all over my lid. Then I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to grab a crease shade. I'm going to grab Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. Put that in my crease. Kind of just blend everything. I'm going to take those two again and put that under my lash line. Then I'm going to take Vermeer, which is that light shimmer shade, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners. I'm going to end up taking Cypress Umber, and I'm going to make that my eyeliner. Alright, so I'm going to throw on some mascara and I will be right back. Okay, I decided to possibly take that Cypress Umber again, and I'm going to put that on my outer corners to kind of give it just a bit more of a look. And this is what it looks like. Kind of wanted a bit more depth in the outer corners just to give it a little bit of more like I tried a bit instead of just throwing on a crease shade and a shimmer shade. So yeah, this is the final look. Now I thought for shits and giggles I would just throw on some of this Anastasia Shimmer Body Oil, even though I'm probably going to get it all over my work clothes. I don't remember if this stuff transfers, but I kind of just want to glow a bit. And there we go, we have a little bit of glowiness. This is my take on a bronzy, glowy summer look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the look. What is your take on a summer glowy look? Let me know if you're gonna recreate this look or use a bit more glow. This is like, I'm ready for the beach or just to lay out in the sun. That's the vibe I'm getting right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!